So today's question is the common tangents to the circle x square plus y square equals to 2 and the parabola y square equals to 8x touch the circle at PQ and the parabola at R, S. Then area of the quadrilateral PQRS is. Now the required figure is this, where the circle has the equation x square plus y square equals to 2 and the parabola has the equation y square is equal to 8x. And here these are the two common tangents which meet the circle at the point P and Q and the parabola at the point R and S. Now we see that the quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. So to find the area of PQRS, we'll first need to find the coordinates of PQR and S. So to do that, first we'll assume a tangent to the parabola. So its equation will be y equals to mx plus 2 by m. Now since it is also a tangent to the circle, therefore its distance from the center of circle, that is 0, 0 must be equal to its radius, that is equal to root 2. So applying the formula, we get 2 upon m divided by under root of 1 plus m square is equal to root 2. Now cross multiplying and squaring, we get 4 upon m square is equal to 2 into m square plus 1. So this gives us m square into m square plus 1 equals to 2. To solve this, we'll replace m square by t. So we get a quadratic equation in t which is t square plus t minus 2 equals to 0. On factorizing we get t plus 2 into t minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, the required values of t are 1 and minus 2. But since t is equal to m square, therefore it cannot take any negative value. Therefore, we get t equals to 1. So m square is equal to 1. Therefore, m will be equal to plus minus 1. So we get the equation of tangents as y equals to x plus 2 and y equals to minus x minus 2. Now if we solve both these equations with the parabola y square equals to 8x and the circle x square plus y square equals to 2, we can easily get the coordinates of the point P, Q, R and S. So solving it, we'll finally get the coordinates as P will be minus 1, comma 1, Q will be minus 1, comma minus 1, R will be 2, comma 4 and S will be 2, comma minus 4. So here we get the equation of the line PQ as x equals to minus 1 and the line RS as s equals to 2. Now the area of the quadrilateral PQRS is equal to half into sum of parallel sides, that is PQ plus RS into the perpendicular distance between PQ and RS. So here the perpendicular distance will be 3. So writing 3. So this will be equal to half of PQ is 2 plus RS is 8 multiplied by 3. So we get 30 by 2 which is equal to 15. So 15 is a required area of the quadrilateral PQRS. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So the question is the area in square units of a quadrilateral formed by the tangents at the end points of the latus rectum to the ellipse. The equation of ellipse is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 5 is equal to. So we are having four options. We have to calculate the area and then take which of the following option is the correct option. So I am given with the equation of ellipse as x square upon 9 plus y square upon 5 is equal to 1. So we are given with this value. So comparing it with the standard equation of ellipse, that is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. So what is the value of a square? A square is equal to 9 and b square is equal to 5. So from here I get a is equal to 3 and b is equal to under root 5. Technically it should be plus minus 5, but since we'll be taking only positive values, so therefore this is the case. Now we know that eccentricity of the ellipse is given by e square is equal to 1 minus b square upon a square. Then what would be the value of e? It would be under root. So calculating the value of e, so e square would be 1 minus, what is b square? B square is 5 and a square is 9. It implies e square is equal to 4 upon 9. Taking the under root, so I get e is equal to 2 upon 3. Now we have find out the eccentricity. Now let's consider the focus. Then what would be the foci? So the focus, that is foci, that would be equal to plus minus a e comma 0, where a is this thing and e is eccentricity, so it is plus minus a e comma 0, which is plus minus a is 3, e is 2 by 3 comma 0, so it is equal to plus minus 2 comma 0. Now this is the focus. Proceeding forward, if this is the focus, we know that b square upon a 5 upon 3. Therefore, what is the extremities of the lattice rectum? So I'll be finding out that. I'm writing down, therefore, extremities of lattice rectum. I'm denoting it by LR. So the extremities of the lattice rectum, that is equal to 2, that is AE. So that is 2 comma 5 by 3 and 2 comma minus 5 by 3. So these are the extremities of the lattice rectum. So these are the extremities of the lattice rectum. Now I'll be writing the equation of the tangent at equation of tangent at 2 comma 5 by 3. So that is equal to, it would be x into this thing 2 upon a square, that is 9, plus y into 5 upon 3 upon 5, it is equal to 1. So this is the equation of the tangent. Simplifying it further, I can get 2x plus 3y equal to 9, because this 5 will be cancelled with this 5 and the LCM would be 9. So it would be simplified in this way. So let it be equation number 2. And what would be the equation when I'm considering this as equation number 1? That is the equation of the ellipse. Now we're having equation for ellipse also, and we're having equation for tangent at this particular point. So we can say that equation 2 intersects the 2 points x and y. X is at 9 by 2 comma 0, that is this 9 by 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 3. So I'm writing down equation 2, that is this equation 2, it intersects x and y axis at points. X would be 9 by 2, so it would be 9 by 2 and it is 9 by 3, that is 3. That is 0, 9 by 2 comma 0, and this is at the x-axis, and at the y-axis would be 9 upon 3, that is 0 comma 3. So then we have to find the area of the quadrilateral. So area of quadrilateral, so that is equal to 4 times the area of triangle POQ. So let's find out it. So it's 4 times, what is the area? It is half into base. What is base? It's x coordinate, that is 9 by 2, and what is its y, the other thing, that is 3, that is the y coordinate. So solving it, it's 2, 2, 4, so we are left with 27. Therefore what is the area, that is 24 square units. Let's see the options. So the option 27 is the correct option. I hope it is clear. Thank you.
A farmer F1 has a land in the shape of a triangle with vertices P0, 0, Q1, 1 and R2, 0. From this land, a neighboring farmer F2 taken away the region which lies between the side PQ and curve of the form y is equal to x raised to power n. If the area of the region taken away by the farmer F2 is exactly 30% of the area of triangle PQR, then the value of n is. तो अगर हम देखेंगे यहाँ पे सबसे पहले कोऑर्डिनेट एक्सिस ड्रॉ करते हैं, फिगर को समझते हैं क्या हो रहा है फिगर में. हमारे पास में 3 पॉइंट है. दिस इज 0, 0, दिस इज 1, 1 एंड दिस इज 2, 0. ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास में 3 पॉइंट्स हो गए. ठीक है, अब क्या हो रहा है हमारे पास में एक कर्व है y इज इक्वल टू एक्स रेस्ट पावर n, है ना, उसे ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. अब हमें पता है x इज इक्वल टू 1 पे n की वैल्यू कुछ भी हो, एक्स रेस्ट पावर n यहीं से पास करेगा, तो इस तरीके से हमारा एक कर्व हो गया. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या गिवन है ये समझिए आप बात को. हमें गिवन है कि द एरिया ऑफ द रीजन टेकन अवे बाय द फार्मर F2 इज एग्जैक्टली 30% ऑफ द एरिया. और कौन सा एरिया लिया है उसने, जो हमारा क्या है, फार्मर F2 टेक्स अवे द रीजन विच लाइज इन लाइन PQ. तो P पॉइंट हमारा ये था, Q पॉइंट हमारा ये है और R पॉइंट ये है. तो ये जो रीजन है ये F2 ने लिया है और ये हमें गिवन है कि टोटल एरिया का 1/3 है. सी इट इज 30% ऑफ ट्राइंगल PQR. तो ट्राइंगल PQR का एरिया कितना है हमें पता है 1/2 इंटू बेस. बेस कितना है 2 इंटू हाइट कितनी है 1, तो एरिया आ गया 1 के इक्वल. तो टोटल एरिया 1 है. तो ये रीजन हमें गिवन है कितना है, इसका रीजन उसका 30% है. तो इनडायरेक्टली एरिया ऑफ ब्लू रीजन, तो हमारा जो ब्लू रीजन है जो F2 ने लिया है या फिर F2 के रीजन का जो एरिया है वो है इक्वल टू 0.3. ठीक है, अब अगर ये रीजन का एरिया 0.3 है तो हम इसको अगर यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर डालूं मैं Q से, तो Q से अगर मैं देखूंगा तो PQR में परपेंडिकुलर डाला है तो इधर का एरिया भी हाफ होगा, इधर का भी एरिया हाफ होगा. तो उस साइड का अगर एरिया टोटल एरिया 1 है तो इधर का भी 1/2 हो जाएगा और इधर का भी 1/2 मींस 0.5 हो गया. अब अगर ये 0.5 में से 0.3 ऊपर वाला रीजन है तो नीचे वाला कितना हुआ 0.2. और ये क्या है x रेस्ट पावर n का जो हमारा x एक्सिस के साथ बनाया हुआ एरिया है वो होगा. तो इनडायरेक्टली अगर आप समझेंगे यहां से तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ कि जो x रेस्ट पावर n dx का एरिया होगा कहां से कहां तक, x इज इक्वल टू 0 से लेके 1 तक के लिए, वो क्या हो जाएगा इक्वल टू 0.2. तो यहां से क्या हो जाएगा x रेस्ट पावर n अपॉन n प्लस 1, इसका इंटीग्रेशन फ्रॉम 0 to 1 इज इक्वल टू 0.2 विच इज 1/5. तो अगर आप देखेंगे ये वैल्यू क्या होगा यहाँ से x रेस्ट पावर n, वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे यहाँ पे तो 1 जैसे ही पुट करेंगे तो वैल्यू क्या जाएगी ऐसे 1 अपॉन n प्लस 1 और 0 पुट करने पे 0 इज इक्वल टू 1/5. तो n प्लस 1 की वैल्यू 5, तो n की वैल्यू क्या होगा यहाँ से n इज इक्वल टू 4. सो आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज n इज इक्वल टू 4.
The question is the area of triangle formed by the positive x-axis with the normal and the tangent to the circle, that is x square plus y square is equal to 4 at 1 comma under root 3 is. So we have given a point that is 1 comma under root 3. So now first of all we can write let A, we have a point that have coordinates 1 comma under root 3 and the triangle formed B, we have O, A, B, where O is origin. So now we can write B is the point of intersection, where B is the point of intersection of tangent with x axis. So we can say therefore the tangent of circle that having equation that will be given in our question x square plus y square, that will be equals to, we can put that will be equals to a square at we can write this will be at a cos theta comma a sin theta. So now that is finally we can write it as that is x cos theta plus y sin theta, that will be equals to a. So we can write the by using the tangent of circle that having the equation at a cos theta comma x sin theta, that will be equals to x cos theta plus y sin theta, that will be equals to a. So we can write, so the tangent at a we have 1 comma under root 3 is, that is under root 3 y plus x, that will be equals to 4, which intersects x axis at point B, that is 4 comma 0. So now we can say the area of triangle OAB, we have, that is 2 under root 3 square units, because the tangent at A we have 1 comma under root 3, that we have by using the equation of point A, that we have under root 3y plus x is equal to 4, which intersect x axis at point B, that is 4 comma 0. So we can say the area of triangle OAB is, we have 2 under root 3 square units. So we can say this will be our final answer. So we have to find out the area of triangle at point, that is 1 comma under root 3, that is 2 under root 3. Thank you.
Hello my dear student. Here the given question says that the area enclosed within the curve mod x plus mod y equals to 1. Here the curve is mod x plus mod y equals to 1. Here if we take here, consider the many cases. Here case 1 is when x greater than 0 and greater than or equals to 0 and y greater than or equals to 0. Then we have x plus y equals to 1, okay, which is number 1. Now case 2, we consider x is greater than or equals to 0 and y is less than or equals to 0. Then because x is greater than 0, then mod x equals to x, and y is less than 0, then that is minus y, okay. So this is minus y equals to 1. This is number 2. Now case 3. So this is case 2. Now case 3, x less than or equals to 0 and y is greater than or equals to 0. Since x is less than 0, so mod x equals to minus x, and y is greater than 0, so mod y equals to y. So that is number 3. Now case 4, we consider here x is less than 0 and y is also less than 0. Since x is less than 0, so this is minus x because mod x, and y is less than 0, so mod y equals to minus y equals to 1. So this is number 4. Now we draw a coordinate system. This is coordinate system. This is x and this is y. Now we draw all lines. First we draw the line number 1. This line intersect at the x-axis at the point 1 and intersect at the y-axis at the point 1, okay, at a distance 1. So this is 1 0, this is 0 1. We draw the line joining these 2 points. So the line is this, okay. So the equation of this line is x plus y equals to 1. Now we draw the second line, that is x minus y equals to 1. That line cut the x-axis at a distance 1 and cut the y-axis at a distance minus 1, okay. Minus 1 means a negative y-axis. So this is 1 and this is 0 comma minus 1. So the line is joining these 2 points. Then we have the line, required line, okay. So this, if we replace it, okay, so this is the line x minus y equals to 1. Also we draw the third line, that's minus x plus y equals to 1. At that line cut the negative x-axis at a distance 1, cut the y-axis, positive y-axis at a distance 1. So this is -1, 0, and this is 0, 1. If we join these 2 points, then we get the line. Okay, so this is the line. Okay, if we replace it properly, okay, this is the line. So the line is -x plus y equals to 1. Also we draw the line, fourth line. Here -x minus y mean this line cut the negative x-axis at a -1, at a cut the negative axis at a distance 1, and cut the y-axis, negative axis or negative y-axis at a distance 1. So if we join these 2 points, this and this, then we get the line. Okay, so the line is this. So we have to find the area this enclosed by the 4 lines. Okay, so if we name it, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So the region of A, B, C, D equals to there are 2 triangle. Okay, so they are similar triangle. So we write that 2 into triangle ABD. Okay, ABD. Now we have to find the area of the triangle ABD. If we take the base as a BD, so now we have to write that is 2 into the area of the triangle is half into base into perpendicular distance, that's mean height. Half into base mean here we take base equals to BD, and as BD and this 90 degree angle, so if we take 0, if we name it 0, then O not 0, this is OA is the height of the triangle ABD. So half into base into height mean that is AO. Here BD, the distance of BD, OB equals to 1, and also OB, the distance of OD equals to 1. So BD equals to 2. Clearly? Okay. So here we write, this is to cancel out. Here BD equals to 2, and AO means this is 1. So this is 1 at the square unit. Okay. So the area is 2 square unit. This is my result. Thank you.
Hello students, today question is let O of 0, 0 and A of 2, 0 and B of 1, root 3. Okay, so this is comma. Okay students, so this is comma. So these are two points be the vertices of the triangle. So in the triangle I found here, so O equal to 0, 0 and A equal to 2, 0 and B equal to 1, root 3 be the vertices of triangle. Let R be the region consisting of all those points P inside OAB. Okay students, so OAB which satisfied D of P OA, which is less than that is minimum of D of P OB D of P AB. Okay students, so where D denotes the distance from the point to the corresponding line, stretch the region R and find its area. Okay students, so I'm going to take the given vertices of triangle is O of 0, 0 and A of 2, 0 and B of 1, 1/3. Okay students, and the point they are given. Okay, so D of P OA which is less than equal to min of D of P OB D of P AB. Okay students, so this one is bracket here, this one is min of. Okay students, from here, okay students, from here we can say, from here we can say d of p comma OA which is less than d of p comma OB. Okay students, and I'm going to say d of p comma OA which is less than equal to d of p comma AB. Okay students, so when d of p comma OA here, so d of p comma OA equal to d of p comma OB. Okay, so that means okay student, that means P is equidistance, okay, equally distance from OA and OB here, OA, okay students, OA and OB here, so OA and OB, and okay students, and P lies on angular bisector, okay students, angular bisector of line OA and OB. Okay students, so OA and OB here, so this line, so it is the angular bisector. One line is given, OA and OB, therefore hence, okay students, hence when d of p comma OA, okay, which is less than d of p comma OB, so the point is, so point P is near to OA than OB. Okay students, so d of OA is less than d of P of OB, then the P is near to OA than OB. Okay students, so similarly d of P comma OA which is less than d of P comma AB. Okay students, so therefore P is near to OA than OB, so P is near to OA than OB. Okay, so the required area is, therefore the required area of okay students, this is of, sorry, so required area of triangle of OAI is, okay students, so the BOA equal to height here, height divided by B. Okay, so height, see this height divided by B, so height divided by B, therefore the height is 1 by root 3 divided by B value is 1. Okay students, therefore it is 1 by root 3, therefore angle of BOA equal to 30 degree. Okay students, so angle of BOA is 30 degree. Next, so the angle of, we have found BOA angle is 30 degree, we found here, so I am going to find the angle of IOA. Okay students, so I am going to find the angle of IOA equal to 15 degree. Why? Because it is bisect each other. Okay, so it is bisect each other. Okay students, so because it is bisect angle. So it is bisects each other, that means equally divided. Therefore IM equal to tan 15 degree. So that tan 15 equal to 2 minus root 3 the value. Okay students, now area equal to half h into b. Okay students, half h into b here. Therefore 1 by 2 into 2 minus root 3 into 2. Okay students, therefore 2 cancel here. So the area equal to 2 minus root 3 square units. Okay students, so area equal to 2 by root 3 square units. Therefore area equal to 2 minus root 3 square units. This is the answer students. Thank you.